This is a piano tutorial for the Christmas song Deck the Halls. It's in the key of C, which beginners are always happy about. No black keys to worry about. And I'm going to show it to you as a soloist here first. In your right hand, we'll be playing the melody, and I'll show you the fingering. The first note is a G. You're going to start with your fifth finger on G. You all the way through to that point. You're going to go over with your second finger on that B note, and then that whole phrase repeats. And again, you go over with your second finger on B. Then you're going to put your second finger on D there to start the next phrase. And then at that point, you're going to put your thumb on D. So that will allow you to go up, and then you're going to get to this F sharp, and you're going to go under with your thumb on G. And that takes you to the end of that phrase. Then you lift up your wrist, put your finger on G again, and you stretch up to 5 for that A. Second finger for that last note. So pretty simple there with the fingering, a little bit of pivoting with your thumb and your index finger there, but that's pretty much it. The chords in the left hand are pretty simple. You start on your C chord, that'll be a root position, C, E, G. And then you're going to be on a D minor there. That's D, F, A. Back to the C chord. And then when you're on this G7 chord, you're going to just play it like that. You're playing your C, and then you're going to go, your G chord is, or G7 is B, F, and G. You can leave out the D if you want, or you could play it either way. Lots of times you'll be playing it like that. So I'm just going to suggest that. So it's D minor, like that, and you keep going with your C chord, D minor again, C, G7, C, and then you're going to go back to that G7 there for this measure, back to C again. And then right there, you're going to put your E minor on the downbeat there, so that's E, G, B. Then you're going to do A minor, which is going to be E, A, and C on the top. So it's E minor. And then you're on G, and we're going to do that D, G, and B. And then you're going to have a D7 chord there, which is D, F sharp, A, and C on the top. And then back to that G chord, G, G, B, like that. And a C chord again. We're going to do an F chord there. We'll do it inverted, C, F, A. G7 again. And this is what it sounds like when you put it together.